Hello, scientists. What if I told you that there's a hidden message on this paper? You can't see it? What's the matter?
Everything!
Yes. Everything is made of matter. What I guess I should have said is, what's wrong? Anyway, you can't see it because it's invisible. Can you figure out how to make it visible? Let me give you a hint. It has to do with chemically changing the substance that the message is written with. Now's the time to say, what's the matter? Lemon juice. The message is written with lemon juice. To reveal the message, all we have to do is heat the paper. Voila! Chemical change. As a chemical change occurs, you can often see, hear, or smell the formation of new substances. Some signs that this was a chemical change are the change in color and a change in odor. Lemon juice contains carbon compounds. Heat breaks down these compounds and releases the carbon. When carbon comes in contact with oxygen, oxidation occurs and the juice turns brown. Oxidation is also responsible for turning your apple brown minutes after you take a bite. Let's experiment with this concept. Which of these substances will react in a similar way? Water, sugar mixed with water, baking soda mixed with water, almond milk, and vinegar. I used my paintbrush to write with each of the substances. I'm just getting ready to write with the lemon juice now. Now I'm going to set this out to dry. Before I reveal my results, you can do this too. Here's my list of liquids. Use these or substitute with other liquids you have around the house. Remember, safety first. Always ask an adult before using any liquids. Also, when using a heat source, you must have adult supervision. Here's a list of various heat sources that may work. An old-fashioned incandescent light bulb. Hold the paper above the bulb. Careful, it's hot. An iron. Don't use the steam setting, and place a clean rag between the iron and the paper to keep the iron's hot surface clean. Burner on a stove. Hold the paper over the burner. Watch your fingers. And now for the exciting part. It's time to reveal the results. Which liquids worked best? Since all of these reacted in a similar way to the lemon juice, we can conclude that they also have undergone a chemical change. But the water did not. We've learned that when water is heated, it evaporates. The liquid water turns into water vapor, a gas, but it's still water and therefore only a physical change. Now that you know how to write invisible messages, you can be a spy and a chemist at the same time. Until next week, stay curious and be safe.